This is how you fold a regular sheet of Xerox paper to prepare it in order to create your mandala line work. First, you want to lay your paper in this orientation where the long side is facing you. Grab one of the corners and then take it over here, align it with this edge over there, and then slowly bend the paper downward until this corner over here is as sharp as you can get it. Push that corner down first, and then make sure that the edges of the paper are aligned on this side before you start pressing the rest of the fold down. If you're in class, I'm going to provide you with pre-cut paper, but if you happen to be working from home, this is how you can fold your paper in order to cut it into a square. So that's the first fold. Going from one corner over diagonally, making it sharp, and also aligning these two edges. Flip this paper over, and then get this small leftover rectangle facing you. With both your hands, peel it upward. Move slow with this. Don't bend it downward into a fold quite yet. You're going to make sure first that this corner over here is as sharp as you can get it there. Push that down first and slowly work that bend into a fold such that the fold falls right onto this backside edge right there. So you can unfold that first diagonal fold we made, and the second fold should look like that. In order to tear this off without scissors, you first need to sharpen this fold as much as possible. The way you do that is hold it in one hand, use your thumbnail against the pad of your index finger, place the paper right onto your thumbnail, and then sharpen that fold at least 5 times on each side. I'm done with that side. Flip it over, and then do the same on the other. Once you do that, when you lay the paper flat, you should be able to feel a raised portion right over here along that sharpened fold. Now, in order to tear this, you're going to start a very, very small tear, just about that small, on one side of that fold. Lay the paper back down, get both your palms on either side of that fold, and rotate them in opposite directions. Tear the paper in about a centimeter at a time. Okay, go slow with this. And there you have an 8.5-inch square. We've already got this diagonal fold. Let's create our 3 other folds that we need, starting with the opposite diagonal. So we already have this one. You're going to create the opposite diagonal by getting the corner to touch the other. Hold this on that side and slowly work the bend into a fold, like so. So you should have an X going diagonally like that. We also want to fold this horizontally in half. Align these edges up top. Like that. And then we also want to fold it vertically in half. Make sure these 2 edges align exactly on top of each other before you turn that bend into a full fold. So what you should end up with is horizontal, vertical, as well as the 2 diagonal folds. And those are your 4 axes that you're going to create a mandala line work with. Okay, good luck. I'll see you in class.